Every month, millions of people receive their salaries, and within weeks, the money is gone. Bills, shopping, random spending, and nothing left to show for it. But what if I told you there is a smarter way? If you take the right steps with your salary, you can build real wealth and transform your financial future in as little as 3 months. Stick with me, because I am about to reveal exactly what to do the moment your salary hits your account. Number 1. Pay yourself first. The first step is simple but powerful. Pay yourself first, before you pay bills or spend a single rupee. Move at least 20% of your salary into a savings or investment account. Treat this like a bill you owe to yourself. This ensures you are building wealth every month instead of just covering expenses. Number 2. Build a 90-day emergency fund. Next, create a 90-day emergency fund. Most people fall into debt when an unexpected bill comes up, like a medical expense or car repair. By keeping 3 months of expenses in a safe account, you protect yourself and stop relying on credit cards. This is the foundation of financial freedom. Number 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is the biggest enemy of wealth. If you are paying high interest on credit cards or loans, most of your salary is being wasted. Focus on clearing these debts quickly. Start with the debt that has the highest interest rate. This is called the avalanche method. Every rupee saved from interest is a rupee you can grow. Number 4. Automate your investments. Once your emergency fund is in place and debts are under control, start automating your investments, whether it's index funds, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. Set up an automatic transfer right after payday. This way, your money grows without you even thinking about it. Consistency is the secret to wealth. Number 5. Control lifestyle inflation. When people start earning more, they immediately spend more. Bigger house, new car, expensive gadgets. This lifestyle inflation keeps them broke no matter how high their salary is. The solution is to lock your lifestyle for at least 1 year. Keep living the same way and invest the extra money. This single habit can make you rich much faster. Number 6. Track every rupee. Finally, track your spending. Most people have no idea where their salary disappears. Okay, a subscription there, and suddenly the account is empty. For the next 30 days, write down or use an app to record every single expense. This habit alone can help you save thousands and redirect that money toward building wealth. Let's quickly recap. To stop wasting your salary and become rich in just 3 months, follow these steps. Pay yourself first. Build a 90-day emergency fund. Eliminate high-interest debt. Automate your investments. Control lifestyle inflation. And track every rupee you spend. Simple steps, but life-changing results. If this video gave you a new perspective on how to use your salary wisely, hit the like button right now. Share it with a friend who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Money Matrix for more powerful strategies to take control of your money. Remember, wealth begins with the choices you make today.